मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा है।
Subscribe now.
Huh? Hey, Daya, are you cutting cucumber? Let me show you how to cut it.
Oh wow! Wow, Dad! Wow!
Hey, where did the cucumber pieces go?
Over here, Jets, yeah.
Oh, Dad.
Move aside, move aside.
Listen very carefully. Today I have for you.
Yes, brother, I know. There is one good news and one bad news.
No, sir.
And?
Today I only have one piece of bad news.
Oh my goodness me! Oh my goodness me!
First, listen to the news, please.
Yes, sorry.
Look closely.
To whom, brother?
Shut up, man. You're cutting my flow.
Hey, speak up, brother. What do you want to say?
Look very closely at these innocent children playing around you.
And?
Your innocent children could be kidnapped. Kidnapped.
Hey, Dad, what are you doing?
Huh?
Two kidnappers named Luka Chubi are roaming in your city. Be careful. A moment of distraction can lead to mishap.
Hi, Goli.
You didn't bring your cycle today, Tappu?
No, man. Dad arranged a school van for me. Oh!
But why?
Because two kidnappers are roaming around. You guys be careful on your way too.
Bye, Tappu.
Bye.
Luka,
Chuppy.
Luka.
See you will be Chuppy.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Uncle?
I am trying to catch you.
Smart. Very smart. Uncle is trying to play tag with you, son.
Okay, playing tag. Uncle, I'm the champion of this game. Champion! Catch me? Come on, Uncle, catch me. What? Uncle, here! This is so much fun, Uncle. Come on, catch me. Yeah! Yeah! Oh? What? Uncle, here! Is that all? Or want some more? How did you like take the free airline service. Hey, the uncles have fainted. Grandpa says we should always help those in need. Maybe their address is on their phone. Huh? Take a left from here, uncle. Left. Stop right here. Their GPS is showing this location. There you go.
Wait, please wait. Let us go. We haven't done anything.
Uncle, wake up, uncle. You guys fainted while playing tag in the park.
Then why did you imprison us in your own home?
This is your house, uncle.
How did you find out our hideout? I mean, our house address, kiddo?
From the GPS on your mobile.
Oh, that's very interesting. Our mobile has GPS too.
Yes, uncle. Look, it shows your complete location, where we are at this moment. Wait, I will send this location to my friends right now.
Give the mobile to me. If you send this location to your friends, we will have to change this location also. Oh, I don't understand. Where does it turn off from?
Okay, uncle. I will be going now.
Smart, very smart. We have kidnapped you, kiddo.
Oh, kidnap? Are you those two kidnappers by any chance?
Yes, we are. Luca.
Chuppy,
Luca.
Chuppy.
We are the kidnappers.
But uncle, I came here on my own and I even brought you with
It's
me.
one and the same thing. Whether the knife falls on the melon or melon falls on the knife. In the end, melon gets cut, right? Tell us your home address, kiddo.
But uncle, when I'm hungry, I can't remember anything.
Okay, kid, tell me, what do you want to eat?
Uncle, I want to have pizza.
Oh?
Son, this uncle makes very delicious paratha and potato curry.
Pizza!
All right, man, all right. Take this money and bring pizza.
Hey!
B.
C-D-E-L-G-H-I-J-K.
L-M-N-O.
Got stuck, didn't you, you fool? Are you more educated than me? By the way, where are you heading?
From PP, I remember I am going to get pizza.
Why is the child screaming?
He is insisting on eating pizza.
How many children do you have?
Just one has made my life hell, Inspector.
Dashing Inspector Palto Singh.
Sorry, sir. It was a mistake by mistake. Dashing Inspector.
Right? Sir, look at this.
Huh?
How much his face resembles?
That's not him. There were two of them and this is one. Go. Bring pizza for the kids. And listen, bring 2 garlic breads for me as well.
Nom nom.
No, Luca! I have brought this for the dashing Inspector Pertu Singh.
Hey, who is this dashing Inspector Pertu Singh? Huh?
The same person whom I met outside.
Oh, wow, so interesting. The police have found their way here looking for us. Kiddo, you have eaten the pizza also. Now tell us your home address.
I can't seem to remember.
Then at least give us your home telephone number.
1 0 0.
Oh, idiot, this is the police's number. Here you go, Inspector.
Dashing Inspector.
Sorry, dashing Inspector. Here are your garlic breads.
So you had called 100 number to give this to me?
Yes, yes, indeed.
Then it's fine. We don't like it when someone calls us for work.
Look at this, sir.
Oh, yes? No, no, this is not him. There were two of them. This is one.
You know,
Round Singh.
yes, Inspector.
Let's go on our round.
I'm getting really bored here, Uncle.
Smart boy. Now quickly tell us your address.
Yes, on one condition, Uncle. First, you have to bring my friends here. Then I will tell you my home address.
What's the benefit of bringing his friends here?
Hey, idiot, more kids, more money.
Dad, balloon!
Hey, where did my gogi go?
Move from here. Kidnapped. Oh dear, where did she go? Kidnapped.
Where have we come, Tappu? Hey!
Wasn't I telling you about the kidnappers outside the school?
Yes, yes.
These are the two.
Hello, kids.
Does this mean we have been kidnapped? Only I have been kidnapped. Okay, tell me, what will you all eat? This chubby uncle's pizza is very tasty.
He makes.
No, he brings it. For me, a mushroom pizza with extra cheese.
A double-decker burger for me. Pizza for me too. And juice.
Oh. Hey, idiot, we are not waiters, we are kidnappers. Kidnappers. Stop acting like waiters, you moron. Oh.
But uncle, we all are very hungry. You will have to order pizza and juice for us.
Hey kids, pizza and juice are very harmful, you know. I'll do one thing. I'll make lemon juice for every one of you. It will be fun, you know.
Pizza, pizza,
Sell this and bring pizza and juice for them.
I have already recited ABCD for you, Inspector.
Dashing Inspector.
Yes, that's the one. Dashing Inspector.
Where are you going?
To get pizza for the kids.
To get pizza for kids? How many children are there?
4. I'm leaving. Otherwise, these kids will create a ruckus.
There was only one child in the afternoon. How come it became 4 so quickly? Where is the kidnapper's poster, Round Singh?
There's the poster.
Hey, the poster!
Hey kids, it's about to be night. Don't you want to go home? Quickly tell me your home address.
It's no use, Uncle. Our parents won't give you a single penny. They will say you can just keep us with you. Your whole plan is wrong, Uncle.
How's that?
If you had kidnapped my dad instead of me, you would have got any prize you asked for.
Where should I kidnap your father from?
Wrong question again. You should be asking that how to kidnap my dad. Come here.
Oh, very interesting. ITIRST. Take this, sell this too.
Hey, hey, Kapu, what is this mischief, huh?
It's not mischief, it's reality, Dad. We all have been kidnapped.
What?
Now, whatever you have, take it out quietly.
Brother, I have only this much money, which I came here counting. Here, take this.
Smart boy,
Hey.
now tell me quickly, where do you keep your money?
My money. Daya handles it.
Paper, scissor.
Hello.
Daya, how did you get here?
My brother got me here.
Oh, Sundar. When did Sundar come here?
Oh no, the one a kid's game is named after.
What, Tag? Oh, Daya, how can Tag be a brother, huh?
Oh no, the one kids do when they make a mistake.
Daya, will you stop playing this hide and seek of words? Huh?
Yes, that one.
What? Luca? Luca is the name of this kidnapper.
No, Chuppy. My brother Chuppy brought me here. This brother Chuppy told me that you needed money. So I brought the money for you.
This Daya will one day get me robbed for sure.
Here you go, Tappu's father. I brought everything I had.
Hey? Hey Daya, today for the first time I'm happy about you being like this.
But Tappu's father, please tell me why you are hiding here with all the children of Gokuldham.
Hey Daya, we have all been kidnapped.
Oh my goodness me. I will go get the police right now.
Hey? Huh?
No one can leave until you give money to me.
Here you go.
Not coins. I want notes. I have already spent so much money. My gold chain and bracelet are also gone.
I don't have notes. But yes, Sodiji is supposed to give us our money today.
Kidnapped.
That money I have kept with Roshan.
Kidnapped. Oh, Daya, today I made spicy okra just the way you do. Look, it has turned out very delicious.
When?
Oh wow! I also love spicy okra.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
I am fed up with you. Sometimes you want this, sometimes that. Have you come for a feast?
But uncle, we are your guests, aren't we?
Not guest. You people are devils. Do you understand devils?
Stop, you fool!
Hey, hey.
Just tell me straight, where is the money? I will count to 3.
Why? Don't you know how to count beyond that, uncle?
Oh, you turned out to be a huge devil.
Huh? Oh, Tata. Yeah!
Very interesting. Dashing Inspector, arrest them.
Yes, they have robbed us, ruined us.
Yes, they ate up my gold chain, ring, watch, everything.
Both match. How long will they play hide and seek with us? Thank you, Google. I'm so sorry.
You're welcome, sir.
Yay!
All our participants are performing to back his stunts. Sometimes they're jumping, sometimes they're hopping, sometimes they fall. I can't tell if they are humans or monkeys. Now just look at this gentleman. He wants to get across the river, but the boat has gotten stuck. The game of Jhumri Talaiya is truly one of a kind. Oh, he took a flip and gave us the slip.
Tapu, you made your father fall and you're laughing?
Participate in this game show with your family and make your way to Jhumri Talaiya tomorrow. Goodbye for today.
Tapu's
Yes, tell me, what were you saying there? Speak.
These people are sending messages that are loud as a speaker. If you had worn this while talking, then only 10 houses would have heard you, understood?
What? Being with Tapu has rubbed off on you.
Yes, and on you too. Tomorrow the 3 of us will go to Jhumri Talaiya to take part in this game.
No way. I will absolutely not go.
But Dad, the whole family must participate in order to qualify in this game.
Oh, Daya, I'm absolutely not going.
Please, Dad, let's go. Come on. Come on, Dad.
But it's not like anyone in this family listens to me.
Tapu's Dad.
Vanakkam, a very warm welcome. Welcome everyone to this one-of-a-kind game of Jhumri Talaiya. The family that clears all the hurdles and crosses the finish line first will be the winner of Jhumri Talaiya. Come on!
Let's go, Dad.
Let's welcome Jethalal and family.
Yahoo! Yay!
It is compulsory to wear this t-shirt to play this competition. Looking at you two, it seems you have already memorized the rules.
This t-shirt fits me perfectly, doesn't it?
Looking at your face, your bones, and your brains, I'd say your family is going to lose.
Well,
So let's start the first round.
Dad! Oh, Tapu's dad. Keep the t-shirt on. We have to win this competition. Yay! Come on, let's go. The competition is starting.
It's extremely simple. You have to go from this corner to that corner, sitting on the duck.
Papa, look at this. Look at this. What? Come on, Mom and Dad. Come on. Oh my goodness gracious. Don't be scared, Tapu's Papa. This is just like an auto ride on a bumpy road. Yay, yay.
And Jetha's ride begins. And the elephants attempt to climb on the ant. I mean, the duck continues.
Hold on. Just a little more.
I'm going.
Tapu's dad. Yeah.
Why didn't you give me a helping hand?
If I helped, we would be disqualified.
Oh, he kept his belly in control. Jetha's life is on a roll.
Is it done? Let's go home.
Hey, the game has just begun, Tapu's Papa.
Yeah.
Now let's head towards the hanging bridge. Running is not allowed. Now we'll go all the way to the final round. Yes.
The team must run across the swinging bridge to the other side, and on the way they will be shot at with big balls by our amazing marksmen. Let's begin. Go!
Oh, wow, Tapu!
Wow, this kid is a super duper hit.
Yeah. Oh, come on, Mom and Dad, don't be scared. Oh my goodness, please help us to cross. Mommy!
Hanging with Tapu has made Daya start jumping too.
Dad, why you also climb the bridge and come and help Mommy right now?
Yeah.
Hey, Tapu's dad! Save me! Save me!
Now it seems I'll have to dodge them just like Daya did.
Wow, Dad!
Messing with Jetha.
Tapu's dad. Swing later. Come and pull me up.
Daya! I'm coming!
Yay! Come on!
I'm dodging all these balls, changing colors like a chameleon. They're escaping from these marksmen. Meow, 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 meow.
Tapu's dad has arrived. Tapu's dad has arrived. Yay!
There they go.
That was so much fun.
Dad, let's go quickly. Come on, we have to finish all these rounds before anyone else does it.
Jethalal fell from the sky, caught between mother and son. But in the next game, they will all get lost in a maze.
Where did I get stuck?
On your mark, go!
Come on.
Slow, 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 little slow.
Oh, where is Tapu's dad go? Hey, Dad, let's go. Dad? Tapu's dad, let's go from here. Dad, let's go.
Please spare me. I'm going home. You two are tearing me
Tapu's dad, see there, you can exit through your lane. Dad, we have one, come on. Hey, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yay!
You two are just causing trouble. That monster was about to pop me like a balloon today. Now let's go home there. Let's go, Tapu. Let's go. Who are these people running towards me?
Hey, Dad, we have to defeat them. Come on.
Go! Huh? Oh! Dad, please take me home!
Jethal came as Tapu's father, but he'll leave as Tapu's grandfather.
Hey, Tapu's dad, come over here and help us.
Oh my god! This man has so much power! He has so much power!
That's my dad. My dad. Hey, Tapu's dad. Now come up quickly. Here. Remember, you must not fall on the marshmallow and you have to jump only when I say jump. Yes, and don't remove the
You
blindfold.
do know that you've reached this far because of me? There's no need to teach me rules, okay?
It seems ever since he became a bull, Jethalal has found a new zest for this game.
When I say duck, that is the time you duck Tapu's dad. Tapu's dad! You have to duck only when I tell you to duck. Tapu's dad! When I say bend, only then you bend.
Daya, why don't you ask me to duck?
Hey, I just said, twice I said.
I'll go acting like a horse.
Huh? Duck! Yeah! Duck! Dad, that's enough. Just stop. Yeah! My dad is the best.
I really got lucky here.
Yay! Come on, Dad, come on!
Yes.
Hey, I was just watching if you're hurt.
He touched the marshmallows, but now he's found himself in a sticky situation. My patience has run out. You had said this is the last obstacle. I have crossed it. Now I am going home. You see what you want to do. Oh, now why are these people following me?
Mom, Dad, you are the absolutely best.
We won, but I got worn out while winning.
Come on, let's go!
So folks, along with the fireworks and the Jhumri Talaiya trophy, Jethalal gets a huge cash prize. Now the celebration will be double XL size.
It wasn't that bad after all. I had fun while playing. If I knew about the cash prize, I would have crossed every level long ago.
Now they are calling us back for tomorrow's competition. What do you say, Tapu's dad? Should we do it?
Life is more precious than money. Jetha has run off. So what are you still doing here? Give it up.